What we're doing at DLT Solutions is we've developed a cloud advisory group, which was specifically designed. We realized that there's a lot of confusion and hype and misunderstanding around cloud technologies and how to leverage it. So we developed this cloud advisory group, which is a knowledge practice that we put together specifically to consult to government on what is this cloud thing of which everybody's talking about, as well as what's the best fit, and more importantly, what's not a good fit. So cloud is not everything to everybody. So this advisory group is in place to actually provide consultative, actionable intelligence to our customers. So there's a number of initiatives going on in the government right now to leverage cloud technologies to lower their costs for IT, and also to give them increased functionality and flexibility in the services they deliver to their customers. So some of those popular ones right now, email is a big one, obviously. There's a lot of initiatives going around, a lot of requests for information about how to leverage email as a service. But we're also seeing things like CRM and even pieces of ERP. And then there's the traditional internet-related stuff around web content management and delivery and web content acceleration. So those are kind of the low-hanging fruits, if you will. With some of the changes that are going on in the industry right now, I expect that we'll start to see some of the more critical, or not necessarily critical, but some of the more sensitive stuff being able to leverage cloud technologies with some of the new announcements, some of the new focuses we're seeing in industry, specifically to cater to the government customers. So there's some fun stuff going on in that area. Technologies that we're using right now, Google is of course a big partner of ours. So we actually characterize our portfolio in two areas. One is actually the pure cloud, pure play technologies. And those include companies like Google or Informatica, as well as BMC with Remedy Force. So we're definitely leveraging those on the pure play side. But we also have a very large part of our portfolio that are what I call cloud enabling technologies. And these are technologies that our customers can use either to better manage cloud services they're acquiring from outside, as well as those technologies that we have to enable customers to take their virtualized environments to the next level and start layering cloud-like attributes on top of their existing infrastructure. There's a number of customers that are looking at that that may not be ready quite for public cloud. The challenges are numerous right now, and they really revolve around the classic people, process, and tools. On the people side, obviously the big area is around culture and being able to move away from the classic server storage hugging, if you will, into being able to trust a outside or another platform altogether. It could be private or public. So there's a cultural piece and the reskilling. There's also tooling, and that is, do I currently have the IT management tool set that can actually manage a highly virtualized or a cloud-like environment, in addition to my classic on-premise standalone IT, if you will. And then process-wise, it's going to require an increase in terms of operational maturity to be able to handle and control these outside providers of services as it comes into your data center, or as you pull it from other people's data centers. So it's really around people, process, and tools. And I think right now, in addition to that, there's also a big challenge from a procurement's perspective. So how do we actually acquire this cloud services? A great example recently was a CTO for an agency was on a panel and said, it does me no good to provision up IT in a matter of minutes if it takes procurement 12 months to actually be able to acquire it. So I think with some guidance from GSA and other groups in terms of how do we actually educate our contracting officers to be able to understand and formulate service level agreements and negotiate those with vendors, that's going to be a key area moving forward.